Chris Brown. He was like, you know we on vampire hours here, right?
Our guest today, August Rigo.
We invited him here today to join us at Amara to share some Indian cuisine, to give us some insider secrets.
I got to write with Mary J. Blige.
And find out if he can make us the boy band that we were always destined to be.
Love you back to sleep, girl.
Can you turn you down, leave you there, but turn you down a little bit so I can hear me over you?
Nah, dude.
Someone book me a ticket to South India right now.
I see a lot of artistry went into here, so I can appreciate it. It's really, really lovely.
Michael Lambie,
Beyonce and Kelly come hang out with me.
Howard Seawright,
It's gluten-free, and of course I made it.
Ryan Hinkson.
So you can make just about anybody sound good?
Welcome to Design, Cook, Eat, the new YouTube series.